Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about Igloo. Number 1. An igloo is a type of hut built from snow. Number 2. Igloos provide warmth and protection from harsh weather. Number 3. They are designed to trap heat inside. Number 4. The word igloo comes from the Inuit language. Number 5. It is traditionally used by Inuit and other Arctic peoples. Number 6. Igloos are built with blocks of compacted snow. Number 7. Igloos can be built in various sizes. Number 8. It is dome shaped. Number 9. They can be built quickly using only snow and a snow knife. Number 10. Some igloos have windows made of ice blocks. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.